Fellow moneymakers, do I have some amazing news for you today? I have been really happy to see that we have not only withstand the selling of one of the biggest accounts there was, but also we have not even fallen greatly. Let me show you guys one thing. As I would love to show the chart. Let's go here. You can see here we went down with a 2.66. And it was some massive selling, guys. You can see it here. This is like 240,000, almost a maximum deposit account. This was Martin Karus. This was Nick, or former admin. As I know everybody who is in my project. One of the things I wanted to show, guys, is, as you know, we had some difficulties, but no worries. Check it out. Just to give a little bit more insight. I've been getting a lot of messages, a lot of, well, bad words from other community members. So I say, for those that want to know why the problems are going on, so I try to solve in a way with no damage to MetaPro or the community. They come on, attack me. I will put you online as well. And I'm getting like messages like, you have a private issue. You are attacking MetaPro. This is absurd. You are risking our money. You cannot even normally speak. We understand nothing of what you're saying. So I say, okay, listen, dude. Say, I have issues with MetaPro. Martin, stealing my pre-sales. 5 notes disappeared. 1 note is $5,000. It's like $25,000 disappearing. Pre-sale disappearing, also like $25,000 disappearing. I was getting an angel investment. It is like $600,000 disappearing, worth 12,000. But hey, they are giving so much scam money to people that are investing with them. So I was saying, like, listen, dude. I tried many things to skip the problems for MetaPro. Only take financial troubles for you, Martin. Your so-called gods are the ones making you cheating. If you can talk with respect to me and not disrespect or use any offensive towards me or how I speak, then I can explain it. And also, no worries. I now have a professional microphone and webcam, and the sound will be a lot better. Now I will say it, sir. I hope you will react and read with respect. 1. My point of demands. 1. I want my pre-sale that disappeared from my brother-in-law, his account. Not Patrick's account, Patrick's family-in-law. 2. I want the 5 notes that have disappeared from my mother-in-law, her account. Oh my God, the ones they are stealing from. It is my family-in-law. Come on, guys. Would you fight for your family-in-law? 3rd thing, I have been in Zoom with Martin and Martin. You know innocent Martin? We have both discussed the angel investment. They say, you know what, Pat? Pinky promise, it's going to be good. But it was not good. As you can see, I am making a problem. I put tens of thousands of my family-in-law in MPRO. I put hundreds of thousands of my in MPRO and Monarch. And in I don't know what else anymore. But I'm in MPRO and the index notes. I was in meeting with CoinSwap. I just want what I paid for. I just want what I paid for my family-in-law. I am not dropping this fight. So, Laurent Louis, you can see yourself on the PTZ Pet YouTube. We are continuing positive. We are rising positive. And like always, guys, I wanted to share my good message. Good morning, my fellow magnets of abundance. I have some amazing news for you. As I have been continuously saying that I have built the WLT token to rise faster than it will go down. And now I have the proof. We have gotten a big sell, and we went down with like, I believe 3.5% or something. And we had the same amount buying last week, and we went up like 7% or 8%. So guys, thank you. I promise you, I am staying honest. I am keeping my word, and I will do anything in my power, anything I can to make sure that Abundance will be the best project you ever heard of, you ever worked with, and you ever earned with. Thanks so much. Everything comes from the heart out. It's PTC Pet. Crypto is my life, and I'm a warrior. So my apologies. You see me fighting with other people that took hundreds of thousands of dollars from me, but they are deserving it, guys. And everything that I'm earning, I'm putting back into Abundance. No empty fighting, no hurting other people for nothing. I just fight for honesty, respect, and making sure that my community has everything to eat what I want. This is PTC Pet. Sharing the love. Oh, sharing the love, loving the world. And don't forget, guys, it's always time to smile.